Dragon Ball Online Revelations. This is a really cool Dragon Ball Z Roblox game which has 200 plus moves, and all of them are really cool. So this is going to take some time now to get in, because it has kind of credits first. Sorry to hear squishy noises, I'm eating sweet corn. Here we are. So we are going to continue. That's me. Gogeta hair, brawly eyes. And you can choose your race in this game, whichever one you like.
It's 16 hours.
Yeah, well. So this is me. I don't know what happened to my face. Is there anybody in here? Okay, Lionel Gamer 678. Instant translation. There. Oh my god, this guy needs to chill. Okay, so I'm going to show you the moves I like to use. Blue blur, fight me. Not him. He's scared. Okay, let's start with Miracle Breaker. This is Miracle Breaker. Kamehameha! There. That is 1000 damage. But it's pretty good. Now Riot Javelin Rain. Totally not what you'd expect. Look at that. It's like making it rain. Now, the super fast key wave. I'll just dragon throw him first to make sure he's not up to any shenanigans. Karma. There, he got psyched real bad. Look at that, while punching them you can use that on them. That's like so useful. Now Divine Retribution. Okay. Okay, this guy is just great. Oh, we got ourselves a scapegoat. Now this move is really cool because it has a really good hitbox. The 100 times Big Bang Kamehameha. It looks really cool too. Just look at that width. Oh, Super Saiyan 4. I mean 3 even, and Super Saiyan. Oh, this guy used game passes. Karma Flash. That missed. Sorry, my bad. Let's make this work. Lord, Blue Blur really got this guy good, huh? Oh, he's a god. I'm not a god yet, I'm Super Saiyan 4. I'll show you Punisher right now. Yep, I'm invisible and boom. So what did we not do now? Yeah, so this is super explosive wave. While punching people you can use it and it's like super cool. Look, I'll use it on this Blue Blur dude. Yuck. Just saw that? Yeah, so these things look really cool too. Riot Javelin range just looks awesome. So, and Karma Flash is really fast, so if you're using a key wave, you better use this one. Okay, now, so I guess that's all. So be sure to share, like and subscribe. And bye.